back, everybody, to Camp Imagineering. Let's become a bioengineer with Miss Margie and Miss Chris. We're going to learn about how biomedical engineers help our community with their inventions, with medical equipment, vaccines. So let's take a look at this. What does this mean, biomedical engineering? Those are three big words. Well, it's a scientific job that creates equipment used in the medical field like hospitals and doctors' offices, making prosthetic limbs like hands and feet, x-ray equipment, and lab products for testing and making vaccines. And that certainly has been in the news lately, hasn't it? Well, good luck to everybody with that. We certainly need their help. So let's start talking about biomedical engineering. They use math and science skills to develop things such as artificial limbs and dentures and blood testing machines, physical therapy equipment, x-rays, and many more incredible inventions. Bioengineers use all kinds of measuring tools for length and width of what is being built. They also measure how heavy something is and how much density is needed for what is being built. Very interesting. These engineers design stuff that is needed by using measurements for like testing viruses. A mechanical or artificial hand can look like this picture. And it has a ring on its finger. So cool. All right. Well, how to make a hand or part of a body also involves a mechanical engineer, and they research how the human hand or other limbs work. They produce a model of a human person's hand or other limb so that they can see how it works together. Here are a few pictures of what a biomedical engineer makes for the medical industry. X-ray machines are really important to have in order to see what's going on with your bones. The biomedical engineer also creates vaccines in a laboratory, and that's a medicine that's injected into a person's body so they will not get sick, like the coronavirus right now. A vaccine is being made to help people, and it takes time to research. How amazing is all this information? So interesting how people can create and invent things that we can use in our lifetime. So let's get started. We have a craft today that Miss Margie is going to share with us because we are going to make, what is it, Miss Margie? Is it an artificial hand today?
Hey, Miss Margie, how are you today?
Hi, Miss Chris. It's a beautiful day. It's pretty sunny out.
Yes,
so what I'd like to do is talk about our biomedical engineering and how mechanical engineering goes hand in hand most of the time with these types of engineers. So today we're going to make a mechanical hand. I'm going to show you just half of the finished product. So at the end, I'll show you all the fingers. Let me just put this on. Whoops. Okay, I'll have to cut that. And you're gonna get to wave.
Or peace sign.
Or peace sign. So let's get started. My HMS friends, you're going to need the following materials. You're going to need to have some foam paper. You're going to have the following materials that are in this little cup, this little container, all ready for you. So in your container, you're going to find 5 pieces of string. You're going to find beads, and there will be 5 beads, and then you're going to have 25 little straws that are cut so that you can make this artificial hand. So what you're going to do first is cut out your hand. Boys and girls, I almost have my hand cut out. Whoop. Can be a little tricky. Like that. You can sort of trim it. Okay, boys and girls, make sure that you discard your garbage. You can have a garbage pile, and you can put that right there. All right, now that this is done, what we need to do is I need to finish this hand. I've already completed 3 fingers, and now we need to make the next mechanical hand. We need to have our bead first, and then we need to make a knot around the first bead.
Brings back memories when making necklaces at school, doesn't it?
It sure does, and a lot of our friends really enjoy doing that.
I know.
So, all right, friends, now that you have your bead at the top, you're going to take, well, I need to take my matching straws. I'm using silver today. So I would say use 3 or 4 straws. Whoops, I've got a little bit at the bottom that's tethered, so here we go. And you just string it in. Sometimes a little time. 1. Okay, boys and girls, we have now finished taping this.
Cool.
It is really, really cool. So I'm gonna gently, I picked it up gently. All right, boys and girls, you're going to gently take this off of the table. And please be careful. If I let these strings go and you tip this upside down, all the string is gonna come out. So I have my left hand done here.
Woo.
So boys and girls, I should be able to say hello and wave.
Wave! Hey!
So this is how a biomedical engineer and a mechanical engineer can work together.